How to compress image to 20 KB in online. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Go to search bar and search for JPEG Optimizer. Click on the first link that pops up. Scroll all the way down and click on choose or drop image. Select the image you want to convert. Then in max size, write 20, which is KB. Then simply click on compress and your picture is done. You can simply download it from here. Open it and it is compressed to 20 KB. That's how you compress image to 20 KB in online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.